Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Travelers, in today's video, we'll be discussing how to check in online on Wizair in 2023. Wizair is a popular low-cost airline that offers affordable flights to various destinations to make your travels experience even more convenient. We'll guide you through the process of checking online, so let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, we will have to visit the Wizair website. So the first step is to visit the official Wizair website. So open your preferred web browser and type wizzair.com. For me, I'm going to use Brave browser. Of course, for you, you can open whatever web browser you have or you have or you want. So then type wizzair.com and hit the enter button. Of course, no need to add this, but this will take you to the same link anyway. Once you are at the homepage, you can navigate to the check-in or manage booking section. And you'll find it here at the top right corner, kind of, so click on it. Of course, to find your booking, you'll have to simply enter the confirmation code right here of your booking, then simply enter the passenger's last name. And then simply click on search to check in your booking. And of course, if you have your accounts that you buy the tickets from, you can simply click on login and you'll find your tickets right there. So once you enter your booking details, of course, in the check-in or manage booking section, you will need to enter, of course, as I said, the booking details, including your reservation number or booking references, along with your last name. And of course, these details can usually be found on your booking confirmations or e-tickets. Then you'll have to select the flights you want to check in for. Once you entered your booking details, you'll be presented with a list of 4 or of your upcoming flights. Select the specific flight of which you want to check in. Then simply, next you will be asked to review and update your passenger information. This includes providing passport details, contact information, and any other necessary details required by the airline. Ensure that all the information is accurate and up to date. Then you will have to choose your seats and additional services as an example. So after confirming your passenger information, you'll have the option to choose your seat. Wizz Air may offer both standard and premium seat selections. Select your preferred seat. Keep in mind any additional charges that may apply. Additionally, you may have the option to add extra service such as packages or baggage and allowance, priority boarding, or in-flight meals. Of course, review the available option and make your selection if desired. Then you will have to generate and save your boarding pass. So once you completed the check-in process, you'll have the option to generate your boarding pass. This can usually be done as a digital pass that you can save on your mobile device or print out. Make sure to save your boarding pass securely as you will need it for airport security and to board the aircraft on the day of your flight. Of course, all of that means that you have already your ticket and you're booked your tickets already. If you don't have your ticket yet, you will have to go through the steps of creating your account or logging into it, then booking your ticket. Of course, if you want to book your ticket also, you can simply follow those simple instructions. As an example here, you will find an origin, where are you gonna start the flight from, destination, where you are going to land, and the departure and even the return, and how much passenger you have. Of course, that's gonna be when you're gonna take the flight, and here you can even take the return flight if you want, and how much passengers will be on the flight. If you can see here, you'll find a lot of other information. As an example, you can explore your travel opportunities with Wizz. You can fare finder, flexible with dates, search for the lowest available fare for your journey and book by best price. And you can even download the Wizz Air app. Booking a cheap Wizz Air flight tickets has never been so easy as with our free mobile application. So you can install their website as an example if you want, and never miss a good deal as an example. Subscribe to our newsletter and be the first to know about new routes and special offers and careers at Wizz Air. Join a world full of opportunities. As you can see, you can find here the cheapest flights or flights that you can find from your home. So here you can find them as an example and a lot of other stuff. So The first step, of course, of buying our tickets is fill in the required informations, including your departure and of arrival airports, travel dates, and the numbers of passenger. You can also specify if you want a one-way or round-trip tickets, so make sure to double check your entries to ensure accuracy. So as an example, we can here like just enter random stuff. As an example, I'm just going to do random stuff here from Bahrain to Abu Dhabi as an example. And the departure will be, as an example, in Wednesday, 20 or sorry, 31 on May. And it's going to be one way. No need to return. And passengers, let's say, an example, one adult and one child. So let's click on search. And here, as you can see, they will show me the best prices for the flight. As you can see, there's the regular price, which is gonna start from $56, and there's the Wizz discount club price. If you are in the club or their club, you'll have kind of $10 discount. And of course, you can even change the dates from here. So from here, of course, you can explore the flight option and choose your preferred one. So after entering your travel details, click on search as we did, and you'll be presented with a list of available flights based on your criteria. Take your time to compare the option, considering factors like flight times, pricings, and any additional services or benefits offered. As an example, for me, there's all just one flight in that specific date. But as an example, if we go here to another date, we may have another flight because those two cities, not a lot of people like travels in them. So as you can see, there one flight is enough to take all the people per day, of course. So if you choose like a popular two cities, you will find a lot of flights to compare from and to choose whatever suits you. So here's an example. Once we choose our best option, we can simply click on select as an example here. And as you can see, here you will find all the data that you want. So here there's the option of travel light, just free carry-on bag, and there's the pick and save WizGo, free carry-on and stroller bag on board, and free seat selection and priority of boarding. As you can see, you will have to pay a little bit more than the travel light. And of course, there is the all-in full flex on the flight. You can carry a 20-kilogram chicken bag. You will have free premium or normal seat selection, or you can free carry-on or trolley bag on board. Online flights change without flight change fees and refund to Wizz account whenever you want. And as you can see, it's going to be a bit expensive than the other ones. So here you can choose whatever suits you. As an example again, so let's choose this travel light as an example. And as you can see, you can add a return flight for you if you want. And if you don't want to, there's no problem. You can just let it as it is. Then you can even change some flights as an example if you want. And then click on continue as an example. And here you are. You'll have to now enter your informations. Of course, if you select another options, you'll be able, as an example, to select your seats and add some extras if you want. So once you choose, and of course, the desired flights with the option of not travel like lights, the other options, you will have the option or you'll be prompted to select your seats. Wizzair offers both standards and extra legroom seats for an additional fee. You can also add extras such as priorities boarding or checked baggage if needed. Review the costs associated with these options before proceeding because it's going to be a bit expensive than the usual one. Then you will have to simply provide passenger information and make the payment because the final step is to provide the necessary passenger information, including name, contact details, and any special requirements. And after verifying the details, you will have to simply proceed to the payment page, and Wizair accepts various payments methods, including credit card and alternative payments option. You will have just to follow the prompt to complete your purchase. As an example here, for us, we'll have to fill this information. It's going to be the first name, last name, male or female. And of course, if you need any help at the airport, you'll have to apply here as an example. As you can see, if you need a special assistance at the airport, you can inform us here. Please remember to pre-book this service as it might not always be available on the day. And of course, it's cheaper to add bags now. So You can add like a 10 kilogram bag, or 20 or 26 or 32. So choose whatever suits you. If you don't want a checked in bag, you can simply select this option. And as you can see, you will find your price here. You can even add additional things and we'll be good to go. So let's see as an example here. I'm just going to add like something like that. Hello and mail. And here we are. We can simply like click on continue to seats. Okay, so no free carries bags and click on continue to seats. So of course you will have to select all of that. So let's just select this and let's just re-select this mail and do something like this. And let's just do something like this and click on OK. And then continue to seats. And as you can see, they will actually ask us to sign in into our account. So if you have an account, we can simply just go and sign in into it. And if you don't, we'll have to click on this registration option. So simply you can do that for your own. It's going to be pretty simple. As an example, just if you don't have an account, you can check here the registration. You'll have just to fill your first name, last name, dates of birth, country code, mobile number, email, and password, then nationality. Then simply, I'm not a robot, and you will be good to go. Then you will follow the steps that I already told you, which is continue to seats, then make the payments, and you'll be good to go. So here you are. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to check in and even buy your tickets online on Wizair. So of course, by visiting the Wizair website, entering your booking details, selecting your flights, reviewing and updating passenger information, choosing your seats and additional services, and generating your boarding pass, you can streamline your travel process and save time at the airport. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic journey with Wizair. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and airline guides. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.